Hi. Today we're going to tell you about best practices for putting up effective Bing advertisements. The Bing search engine has a lot to offer. So, it's worth looking at how you can build great ads for this platform and drive more customers to your business. Let's get started. Import your Google Ads to Microsoft Ads. Want to advertise on Bing using your existing Google Ads campaign? It's easy with AdWords Express. Just choose to use Bing as your ad destination and follow the simple steps to import your Google Ads campaign. A free Bing Ads account is also required. Produce outstanding ad images and copy. Bing Ads provides you with many templates so that you can produce outstanding ad images and copy for your paid search campaigns. Regardless of how you go about it, your images must include clear and valuable calls to action, CTAs. By crafting compelling ad text and images, you can help ensure that your ads will work as you expect. Target your audience. For example, you can run a campaign to target users who have previously visited your website through an earlier Bing Ads campaign. Bing Ads can also help you reach audiences based on search terms and interest-based topics. You can even run campaigns that show ads primarily to users who have already visited your website or used your mobile app. Monitor your quality score. The quality score for your ad represents how well your ad is performing compared to other ads competing for the same keywords. As a result, high-quality ads will typically cost less than low-quality ads. To help ensure that all of your ads are performing at the highest level, monitor your quality score and regularly test the relevancy of your keywords, ads, landing pages, and ad extensions. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.